Hello there, my fellow notebook aficionados. This sleek looking fella here is Asus's newest member of their more creator-focused ProArt family, the PZ13, and I have had the chance to test it for a few weeks now. Asus also sponsored today's video, giving me the opportunity to tell you guys how the thin tablet can be a great mobile companion, especially if you work in a visual profession, such as a photographer, graphic designer or retoucher. And with sturdy back and front covers that double as a stand and a keyboard, a gorgeous color accurate OLED and a Snapdragon-X Plus silicon beating at the heart of it all, the PZ13 is a capable, well-equipped content creation machine. Before we get to the PZ13 in more detail, maybe let's talk about why it fills a certain niche, especially for traveling content creators. If you are out and about, let's say as a photographer or a digital tech, someone handling all the data and content during a production, and you work on location, be it somewhere out in nature or pretty much everything else that is not a photo studio. In these situations, you need a reliable computing companion, ideally one that runs all the software you are already used to without having to rely on special apps or mobile versions with reduced functionality. You also need quite a bit of performance to run Photoshop, Lightroom, Bridge or Capture One, for example, when tethering. Tethering means you have your camera connected to your machine and can instantly see all the images, to mark, sort or even edit content as you go. At the same time, you would also want something efficient, since you may not always have convenient access to connect to an outlet. And you would also want something that can take a beating. Not in a way that you throw your stuff around without second thought, but just something that you do not constantly have to worry about, but that is a tool and can be treated as such. The ProArt PZ13 pretty much checks all the boxes here. The sleek 13-inch tablet runs Windows. Yes, it's Windows on ARM, but during my testing I did not run into any compatibility issues at all. Both Photoshop and Lightroom have native versions for the new platform, and while Capture One is, as far as I know, emulated, it runs without any problems and is fast enough that I did not feel held back, which is pretty much all you can ask for as a creative professional. I talked about tethering before, and the ProArt comes with a pair of USB-C 4.0s, which basically give you Thunderbolt 4 functionality. So if you are on a photo shoot, you can have your camera connected to transfer the incoming images and still have a port left to either charge your tablet, connect an external SSD for instant backups, or, well, I don't know, charge your phone or something. You also get a full-sized SD card reader for quick and easy transfers without the need for additional cables or adapters. I have actually used the PZ13 during our recent shoot for Polestar, and you can check out the full video either up here or in the description below. And being able to go back to the hotel, have a coffee and a chat with the client while already transferring the images onto the tablet, do some quick edits in Lightroom and then being able to share them instantly, well, it's not only a very efficient and streamlined workflow, but it also adds that additional bit of professionalism and a certain wow factor, which might very well set you apart from the crowd. You can also be sure to trust your screen with very accurate factory calibration. We measured a delta E of just 1.5 during our testing, and with the addition of presets such as sRGB, if you just want to fine-tune your images for the web, you have your one-stop shop for all of your mobile color grading needs right there with you. And while Lightroom, for example, is very well optimized for touch inputs, for finer edits in Photoshop or more advanced corrections in Capture One, you get a pen within the box, which you can attach to the PZ13 with this little loop to always have it ready for when you need it. So how about the performance side of things? Well, of course you have to manage your expectations when it comes to the Snapdragon-X Plus running at 20 watts. But as I mentioned already, I never ran into any very obvious performance bottlenecks, be it in Lightroom, Photoshop or Capture One. Overall performance was also quite snappy, and another very important aspect at a deadline-driven photography set is that it wakes from sleep very fast, which is a godsend if you have an impatient client breathing down your neck. The X Plus is also a very efficient chip, combining performance and endurance. We have been able to get more than 14 hours of juice out of the thin tablet with lighter loads, and the 2.5 hours under full load also mean that you can get quite far using this one for production. And just as a more real-world example, during our Polestar press trip, I used the PZ13 for 2 days without charging it, doing image imports, Lightroom edits, emails and a little bit of Netflix in the hotel room at the end of the day. That leaves us with durability. On its own, the PZ13 is incredibly sleek, coming in at just 9mm with a super clean matte black design. But just like this, you would not want to place it anywhere, which is where both the stand and the keyboard cover come in. They not only add the additional functionality of being able to prop up the 13-incher at any angle you want or add a great feeling keyboard, but the material is also very sturdy, so you can easily throw this one in your camera bag or put it somewhere on location without having to worry about scratches or dirt. Just wipe it when you're done and you're good to go. Asus also added dust and moisture seals to the smallest ProArt family member, and the IP52 rating does not mean this one is waterproof, but it can take the occasional spill of water or a light drizzle and is secured quite well against dust. This really makes the difference between having to pack away your laptop instantly when it starts to rain or being able to finish a shot without having to worry about your gear. So I really have to give it to Asus here. They not only put together a sleek and well-made tablet, but with the sturdy covers, capable yet efficient SoC, a great display, practical I/O, and last but not least, the added durability, they really turned the PZ13 into a proper tool for the traveling content creator and creative professional. But that should already be it for today. If you want to check out our full review for the PZ13, make sure to head on over to our written review. And if you want more info in general or get one for yourself, just follow the links to Asus's website down below. Sound off in the comments for which of your upcoming projects you could take advantage of the PZ13. I would love to know what you have in mind. A big shout out to Asus for sponsoring today's video, and a big thanks to all of you for watching. As always, leave your like and sub if you like our content, and check out some of our other videos if you cannot get enough about tech and laptops. My name is Alex, you have been absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Take care.